How to analyze walkable cities using AI. I generated all of these walkable city analysis diagrams entirely with AI. No GIS software or photo editing tools needed. This free AI website can analyze any location in the world based on the 15-minute city concept, where essentials like shopping, education, healthcare, transport, and leisure are all within a 15-minute walk. In this example, I used Austin, Texas. I selected the urban area I wanted to analyze and clicked Generate. After about 30 seconds, the AI provided a full 15-minute city report, breaking down walkable access to key services. This area received a score of 80 out of 100, with AI analyzing hundreds of nearby amenities. From cafes and shops to parks and public transport, the system identifies how easily residents can reach everything they need within a 15-minute walk or bike ride. The AI doesn't just count places, it evaluates quality of life. Things like walkability, green spaces, public transportations, safety, accessibility, and local jobs all factor into the score. It even considers how socially and culturally vibrant the neighborhood is. As we look at the map, you'll notice a bunch of colorful dots, each one representing a different type of place people use every day. These aren't just random points. AI sorts them into categories that help us understand how walkable and livable a neighborhood really is. You can also dive deeper into the analysis by clicking the See Data in Detail button. This lets you explore specific metrics and layers of information, making it easier to understand the urban layout and walkability of the selected area. Layers can be toggled on or off depending on what you want to focus on. When zooming in, each dot is clickable, revealing detailed GIS information like building type, height, and building name. You can also head into the layer settings to adjust things like dot size and category colors. Personally, I like the default color scheme, so I'll leave it as is for now. If you want to hide a specific category, one easy way is to set its opacity to 0. This will make that category invisible on the map. Another option is using the Google Sheets sync feature. All AI-generated data is automatically synced to a Google Sheet, where it can be edited as needed. If you have additional mapping data, you can simply paste it into the sheet and click Sync. The updates will instantly appear on the map. For example, if I delete all of the data under the Substance category in the Google Sheet and then click Sync, that category will no longer appear on the map. It's a quick and easy way to customize the visual output based on the data you want to highlight or remove. Next, I'll start asking the AI to extract urban study-related layers for this area. First, I type the prompt, buildings in the 15-minute walking area, to extract the building footprints, which will be used for further urban analysis. I can edit the building color using the layer design settings. For massing studies, I usually prefer using a black fill for the buildings. It's a more traditional approach and visually straightforward for understanding the urban fabric. Let me drag the building layer down so it sits beneath the category layer. Next, I ask the AI to extract parks and green spaces within the 15-minute walking area. Since green space is one of the key rating categories in the 15-minute city concept, I want to visually show how much green space is available in this area. whether it's abundant or lacking. Next, I type in prompts to extract roads, bike lanes, and bus stops, one after another. This helps build out the transportation infrastructure layer by layer, giving a clearer picture of connectivity and mobility within the 15-minute walking radius. Normally, we'd have to gather GIS data from multiple sources, import it, and then manually edit everything in GIS software. But here, AI can extract site-specific data layer by layer, all in one place and fully editable. Once the AI extracts the bus stops, I want to change their appearance, replacing the pink dots with a bus icon. The data is sourced from Cap Metro, which is a reliable and official source, so I'll keep the same color to maintain consistency and clarity in the map's visual language. After finalizing the details for each layer, I go through and toggle them on one by one, hiding the others, to export each layer separately as site analysis diagrams. There are also several base map styles to choose from. For this project, I prefer a light-colored base map, which helps keep the focus on the overlaid analysis layers without overwhelming the visuals. The map can be exported as SVG or PDF for further editing in Adobe Illustrator, or directly as a PNG if the current colors and layout are already presentation ready. The 15-minute city analysis tool is completely free to use, and you can find the link in the description below. I think it's an incredibly useful resource for urban design, streetscape studies, and anyone working on walkability or site planning. It offers fast visual insights that would normally take much longer, using traditional GIS workflows.